Good morning, children. In this class of GK, today also we will upgrade our knowledge related to language and literature. This page is about common sense. You can see here. It means there are so many words in English which are used by us are of same spellings and pronunciation also, but of different meanings. These words are known as homonyms. So you can say easily what are homonyms? Homonyms are the words of same spellings and pronunciation but of different meanings. Today we know about this type of words. This is page number 5 of your GK book. In this page you can see some pictures are given below. And what you have to do? With the help of pictorial clues, find the word which is common to both the pictures. One has been done for you. You have to see the pictures and with the help of pictures you will write the correct word which will be of same spellings and pronunciation. In picture number 1, the word is trunk. Picture number 1, this word is trunk. Trunk is used for both the pictures. You can see here. This part of tree is known as trunk and this part of elephant is known as trunk. So you can use trunk for both the pictures. Now it's clear. Now we will see picture number 2. One picture is of an official building. You can see here. This is known as bank. We can deposit money and so many works here. This is bank and the other picture is of a river. This is river and this is river side. River side is known as bank. So you can see bank is used for both the pictures, for this picture and for this picture also. River side is known as bank. Now in picture number 3, one picture is showing the outer layer of a tree trunk. You can see here the outer layer of a tree is known as bark. Outer layer of a tree is known as bark. Bark is used for this and bark in the other picture. You can see a dog is making sound. So the sound made by dog is also known as bark. So bark is used for both the pictures. Now the next picture. Picture number 4. Picture number 4 is, this is picture number 4. You can see here the correct word for both the pictures is stump. In cricket, see here, in cricket a set of 3 upright wooden sticks that form the wicket is called stump. And look this is also stump because the part that is left after something has been cut down, broken off, etc. is also called stump. And this is the part of a tree which is left after cutting a tree. So you can use stump for both the pictures. Now picture number 5. This is a bat. You all know about it. And this is also a bat, a creature. Now the last picture. You can see here. This is gum. This is gum. The pink part of our mouth that hold teeth. The pink part of our mouth that hold teeth is known as gum. And for this picture you can also use gum because this is a substance. Gum is a substance that we use to stick things. This is gum. Gum is a substance that we use to stick things together, especially pieces of paper. So gum is used for both the pictures. In this way, page number 5 is completed. Watch the video and enjoy the class. Enhance your knowledge also. Thank you.